Hey guys, it's time for journal. Now, last time we had a lesson together, we talked about when we are done, we have just begun. And we are going to be adding things to our writings. And when we're done with the writing, we're going to look at it and make sure that we have done our very best and added all the details we can add. Today, I'm going to work on a new piece, and I'm going to turn in my journal to my next empty page, and I always start with my date. So today is 9. Oh, guess what? It's not 9 anymore. Oh my goodness. We have a new month. It's October. So now it is 10-1-20. We've got a new month today, so it's not month number 9 anymore. Now it's month number 10. And I'm going to think about what I'm going to be writing. Good writer always thinks of ideas, and they think about something that they know about. And I know about Legos. My oldest son likes to play with Legos. So let's see. We had lots of Legos at my house when he was growing up. So let's see. I'm going to draw some Legos. Oops, that one's not my very best one, but that's okay. And I'm going to draw something he can make with Legos. Does anybody like to watch Minecraft? At my house, oh, you know what? I might not be very good at drawing it, even though I look at it all the time. At my house, we have some Legos that he made and put together. And let's see, he has a little Lego man with him, and it's like a little Minecraft house. So it has a little block guy. You're going to find out that Miss Craft knows about Legos, but I don't know that much about Minecraft. So we have a Minecraft Lego set put together. And let's see, he made one of Sydney Harbor. And I've got a building that's got this thing. It's called the Sydney Opera House. And it's got some other buildings. We've got that one put together. And he's got, we have castle Legos set at our house. So let's see. Now, I've taken some time and done some drawing. Your drawing is going to be better than my drawing. My drawing is not that great, especially not today. I don't know. Scratch was not doing her best drawing today for some reason. But now it is time to put some labels and some words. And that is what our lesson is going to be on today. Our lesson today is on being a brave speller. We are going to learn how to be brave spellers. We are only in kindergarten. We are not going to know how to spell all of the words that we want to spell. So we're going to have to be very brave and try it, even though it might be hard and we might feel like we can't do it. Now, especially while y'all are working at home, it's probably very easy to ask a brother, a sister, a mom, a dad, a cousin, how do you spell? How do you spell? How do you spell? But that is not helping you be a brave speller. We want you to try by yourself. That is how you're going to learn how to be a good speller, is to try and practice by yourself. So this is what we're going to have to do to be a brave speller. The first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to stretch and sound the word. You know, Miss Craft has talked about stretching the word out and sounding it. In a minute, I'm going to want to sound out the word Lego. So I'm going to have to stretch it out. Lego. And I'm going to have to write all the sounds I hear in that word. Lego. I might want to write the word castle. Castle. So I'm going to stretch and sound, and you can do that too. Remember, you can get your magic invisible rubber band and stretch those words. After we stretch the word, we're going to write all the sounds we hear. So you're just going to do your very best to write all of the sounds that you hear. And you also may want to use some tools. If we're in the classroom, you're going to have a lot more tools. While you're at home, you have your ABC chart. That is a tool that can help you remember which letters make which sounds. In the room, we're going to have things like color words posted and vocabulary charts posted and number words posted, and we might have a class list posted, and we're going to have a word wall. You're going to have lots of tools in your classroom to help you know some of the words that you might not be able to stretch and sound. And here's the most important thing we're going to do. We're going to write lots of words. The best way to get good at something is to practice. And if you don't practice, you're not going to be able to get good at it. So we are going to practice being a writer. And I'm going to do that now in my writing. Let's see. I said this was an opera house. So I'm going to label it. Oh, and that's the word I might need to stretch. Opera. Opera house. See, I'm just writing the sounds I hear. And if it's not the way that everybody may say it's spelled correctly, that's okay. We're writing the sounds we hear, and we're going to learn how to spell these words the older and better we get. Let's see. These are Legos. Legos. This was, I think he was a creeper. 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 And this was Minecraft Legos. Minecraft. Oh, and I know how to spell craft because that is my name. So, ooh, whenever we know a part we know, that is awesome. And let's see, I made a castle. I'm going to stretch it. I'm going to write all the sounds that I hear. This Lego might be blue because I'm in the classroom. I'm going to use a tool. I can look up on the wall and I can find the color word blue, and I'm going to write it right there. Let's see, what am I going to write about today? I'm going to write about I. Here's my word I. Always start with a capital letter. Like. Like. And this will be a word that'll be on the word wall soon when you come to class. I like Legos. Period at the end. Very good. I want you to be a brave speller today in your journal. Don't ask for help. Try and do it yourself. I can't wait to see them. Have fun.